First of all, I would like to thank you and send congratulations to all of you who accepted this AJ90JS challenge for learning JavaScript. More than 120k plus people have viewed this post on Twitter, and approximately more than 500 people have been accepted this challenge. So once again, congratulations to all of you and all the best for this huge JavaScript challenge. Let me tell you my story for the last night. I did not get a proper sleep because of the josh for this challenge. I went to bed around 3 am in the morning and woke up around 6 am in the morning. I know it's a bad for my health, but I don't know how can I control my dedication for this challenge. Anyways, today I am going to share my top 7 resources in order to learn JavaScript in this challenge. So without further ado, let's get into the video right away. My first resources will be javascripttutorial.net. They nicely explain the topics. However, they don't have a complete documentation, but whatever they provide, they are easy to understand and beginner friendly. So you can also pick these resources in your bucket list, right? My second resources will be javascript.info. I love this explanation and their examples as well. So you can also consider this in your bucket as well. Third, my favorite, even everyone's favorite or trusted resources is MDN. It covers entire JavaScript in a single website. If something is not available on javascript.info, javascripttutorial.net, then I will find those resources on MDN. So you must need to pick these resources in your bucket list. As you know, reading the blog is the part of our AJ90JS JavaScript challenge. So we need some tools to collect those top rated blogs or most useful blogs to us at a single place. That's why we need to download a Chrome extension known as daily.dev. You can easily download in your browser, even if you are using Edge, Firefox or Chrome, and according to your interest, you can filter your topics. And my fifth resources will be a book. As you can see here, that is very expensive. You do not need to buy because I'll share its content with you. I'll purchase this book just because of reducing screen time. So you do not need to purchase it, right? My sixth resources will be a Udemy course, JavaScript by Jonas. That's a great course and he is teaching in depth that I want. But I will follow few courses from here, right? Last but not least, I will leverage the power of ChatGPT. If some topics will very complex to understand, then I will use ChatGPT in order to learn that concept, right? We can easily give a command like teach this topic as a class 2 student. So that's a great AI tool to learn any complex topics. So you should follow this tool as well. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment box and we'll come back to you. Thanks for watching this video.